Today, we're going to dive into a technology that is seriously shaking up industrial cleaning. I mean, forget about all the harsh chemicals and the expensive downtime. We're looking at how Chihalo is using automated lasers to totally revolutionize manufacturing. Let's get right into it.
So if you're managing a production line, you know the drill, right? It's all about those headaches, unexpected shutdowns, labor costs just going up, and results that are, well, all over the place. But what if there was a way to pretty much wipe all of that out with a single upgrade?
Before we jump to the solution, let's just be crystal clear on the problem. Industrial cleaning is absolutely critical. I mean, it impacts everything, your compliance, your efficiency, your product quality. The problem is, for decades, the methods we've used have been kind of stuck in the past, and they come with some serious baggage.
And this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way of doing things. Harsh chemicals, expensive shutdowns, and results that are inconsistent at best. But on the right, that's the automated future. We're talking an eco-friendly process that runs 24/7 with perfect precision and with zero human intervention. This isn't just a small step up, it's a completely different way of running your operation.
So what's really behind this massive shift? Well, welcome to the automated laser revolution. Chihalo has managed to fuse incredibly powerful laser technology with some seriously sophisticated robotics. And what they've created is a system that isn't just better, it's way, way smarter.
This right here is what a modern factory solution looks like. It's designed to run non-stop 24/7. It integrates seamlessly with robotic arms and your existing PLC systems. And get this, it slots right into your current production line without needing a massive, painful overhaul. The big takeaway here? This whole thing is built for immediate impact and to give you maximum efficiency from day one.
But here's the thing. This isn't some one-size-fits-all gadget. Chihalo gets it. They know every single production line is unique. And that's exactly why they've engineered a whole suite of specialized machines, with each one designed to tackle a specific industrial challenge.
Yep, they've got 6 distinct automated cleaning solutions. And that number is actually really important. It means they're not just selling you some generic machine that you have to figure out how to adapt. No, they're giving you a specific, optimized tool for pretty much any job you can throw at it.
All right, let's do a quick run through the lineup. First, you've got the conveyor belt cleaner for that non-stop, continuous work. Then there's the massive gantry machine, built for huge structures. Need to clean complex parts from every angle? That's what the multi-axis cleaner is for. There's even a mobile robot cleaner you can guide and teach on the fly. For circular parts, you've got the swivel cleaner, which even vacuums up the mess. And then, the most futuristic one of all, the vision-guided cleaner, which uses AI to scan and clean all by itself. No programming needed. Seriously, whatever your challenge, they have a tool for it.
Okay, so the tech sounds amazing on paper, right? But what does it actually look like out in the real world? Let's take a look at how this technology is performing on the ground in some of the most demanding industries on the planet. Let's start with the food industry. For a plant owner like Sarah Wang in the US, it wasn't just about getting things clean, it was about meeting strict compliance rules. So, a laser solution that uses zero chemicals and creates no waste, that was an absolute game changer for her.
Now, let's hop over to Germany, where an automotive specialist, Alex Muller, says the switch from old-school sandblasting was, and I quote, like night and day. That's a pretty powerful statement, and it says a lot about the massive leap in efficiency he saw. And in the super high-stakes world of aerospace, an engineer named Sergey Ivanov points out 2 huge things: adaptability and, maybe most importantly, easy integration. You know, for these complex operations, getting a new piece of tech that just plays nicely with all your existing systems, that's a huge, huge win. Finally, in the petrochemical sector, Ahmed Al-Razi from the Middle East gets right to the point, the bottom line. He says it significantly cut down their maintenance time and costs. And for heavy industries, that's a direct, immediate return on their investment.
So how does a company actually deliver this kind of performance and get these amazing reviews? Well, it comes down to a lot more than just the machines themselves. It's really about the deep expertise behind them. Chihalo isn't just selling you a product, they're acting as an expert partner.
And this is where that trust really comes from. The entire operation is backed by PhD-level experts in optical engineering. So we're not just talking about assembling parts here, we're talking about pioneering new technology from the ground up.
Let's put some faces to that expertise. The team includes people like Jackie Huang, who's got a master's in optical engineering and more than 8 years of hands-on experience, and Dr. Liu Zhao, who brings a PhD and over a decade of leading R&D. These are the minds that make sure every single solution is powerful, reliable, and perfectly tailored to the job it needs to do. So when you put all that together, what do you really get?
Well, it means that when you partner with Chihalo, you're getting direct access to their R&D, free customization for your specific needs, 24-hour support, and a team with a proven global reach. It really is the complete package.
You know, it all leads to one really clear conclusion. The technology is here, the expertise is undeniable, and the benefits are proven. For any industry that's still relying on old-school cleaning methods, the path to a smarter upgrade is right here, right now.
The final takeaway is this. Upgrading your production line isn't just about going faster. It's about making it smarter, more efficient, and totally future-proof. Automated laser cleaning isn't some far-off concept anymore. It's a real-world advantage that's available today. So the only question left isn't if you should upgrade, but really, how much is it costing you every single day that you don't?